Got my Santa hat, but it's okay. I got the toys anyway.
So why are we here?
We're here to bring toys for the kids at the food bank.
Ow!
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho! This is the queen of the food bank.
Oh, yeah.
And I always come by to give her my Christmas gifts right here. And
My mistletoe on.
I know, and I forgot my Santa hat. But okay, and this is Dale, the king of the food bank. We have the king and the queen.
That's right.
We're going to do something with Giving Gardens that I think you'll be pretty excited about. And we're proposing partnering with the Marysville School District to bring lesson plans into the 3rd grade and to get them to plant seeds and promote Giving Gardens. So we'll be chatting more about that, but we're pretty excited about it. So more to come later.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned.
What makes it unique is that it's all volunteer-based, and it's just the hearts of people in the community all coming together, organizing themselves to pull this off.
In the back of Joanne Mulligan's garage or her car or something like that, she saw the need and started collecting food from friends and neighbors, and it just grew and grew and grew and grew, and this is where we are today. We will accept homegrown garden produce, and that's where the Giving Gardens program comes in. So we do get a lot of produce in the summertime, just kind of scarce in the winter.